Yes. Today we will see about the operational amplifier. The operational amplifier is the most commonly referred as op-amp. OP for the operational and AMP for the amplifier. Was introduced in the 1940s. The first operational amplifier was designed in the 1948 using the vacuum tubes. In those days, it was used in analog computers to perform the variety of mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Due to its performing mathematical operations, it has been given name operational amplifier, that is op-amp. Due to the use of the vacuum tubes, the early op-amps were bulky, power consuming, and expensive. After the long journey of the research and development, the Robert Wilder at Fairchild brought out the popular version of the IC op-amp, that is IC741 integrated circuit between 1964 to 1968. The IC version of op-amp uses bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, and field effect transistor, that is FET, which are fabricated along with the other supporting components on the single semiconductor chip or wafers, which is of pinhead size. With the help of this IC op-amp, the circuit design become very simple. It the variety of useful circuits can be built without the necessary of knowing about the complex internal circuitry. Moreover, the IC op-amp are inexpensive. They are cheap in the price. They, they take less space and consume less power. So IC op-amp becomes more popular and popular in the various electronic circuit designers. The IC op-amp becomes an integral part of almost every circuit in today's days, which is used as linear integrated circuit. The modern linear IC op-amps work at low voltage. It, it is so low in the cost at the millions are now in use annually because of their low cost, small size, versatility, flexibility, and dependability. Op-amp are used in the various fields as process control, communications, computers, power and signal sources, display and measuring system. And op-amp is the basically an excellent high gain DC amplifier. So in further points, we will study the about the IC741 operational amplifier and its applications. The op-amp is the very popular version of the amplifier, and it also been used for the converting weak signal into strong signal. So in the next lecture, we will look about the its circuit symbol and the various terminals used in the op-amp. Thank you.